Yo, 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 yo. We're glad to have you guys in this great space. We are your hosts.
Mandy.
Candace.
I'm Brandon. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, getting the
Why
content out there.
people?
We genuinely appreciate love and support from the bottom of our hearts. And the verse of the day is
Oh my gosh.
um
Hold on. There. Wait. Wait. I hope you have us, all of us under something there. People, it's been a long day. Let us just not even. So the verse that I have here is Jonah 1, verse 17. Now the Lord provided a huge fish to swallow Jonah, and Jonah was in the belly of the fish 3 days and 3 nights. People, it has felt like we have been setting this up for 3 days and 3 nights. Everything we could have go. All right,
Ah,
everything.
yeah.
The fish
Yeah,
swim by, it
a lot's
swallow the
been going
internet.
on.
Fish swim by, it swallow the WhatsApp. It do everything. It swallow everything. Everything. So we have been at this for 3 days and 3 nights. All right.
literally.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't not gonna lie to you guys,
Listen,
it's been a whirlwind. It's been a
week,
whirlwind of things that's been
week,
going on. We had,
two
I believe we
weeks.
had Crusade that just finished Sunday gone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, we haven't really had a chance to really get some proper recordings in. So this was the only mode where we could have taken it.
Yeah.
Bear with us. This is just
We,
it only happens. This is it's just a contingency plan.
yeah. So,
Just a contingency plan.
welcome to the group call. Welcome to the
Yeah.
group call. That's
This
all
is
we
what we
can.
normally look like when we discussing disgrace-based matters behind the
Yeah.
scenes, you get me? As Batman, as my witness right here. You see me? As my witness, we discuss disgrace-based topics in this virtual environment. So, but yeah, a
Mm-hmm.
lot of things been going on. That was a long week,
Mm-hmm.
very long
Facts.
week. But
Has been a long 2 weeks.
yeah, but we thank God. We thank God for life.
Yeah.
Thank God for food, shelter, clothing. We can walk, talk, hear, smell, and see. We thank God for the blessings, the breakthrough, the
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
financial breakthrough, right? Amen.
Yes.
We thank
Yes.
God
Come
for the
on.
mental clarity.
Come
Amen.
on now.
I
Mm-hmm.
decree and I declare that we
Mm-hmm.
shall be free in Jesus' name,
Mm-hmm.
all right? Emancipate ourselves from
Then
mental slavery. What does I say?
none but ourselves. Yeah.
Shine free our mind. Don't open your third
Uh,
eye. Don't open your third eye. I fool system my chat. You see me? So yeah, it's been a time. It's been a time.
Mm-hmm.
It's been a time. So uh it's not really what else is there to say.
We're not really
Ladies, I don't
chatting
know.
it up today.
Yeah, man.
no.
Honestly, guys, we're not chat. This is not a
Yeah, we
yapping episode. We actually go fool around a little bit
Yeah.
and basically take you guys along
Yeah.
with us while we're just having
Just
fun.
trying to unwind at the end of when I say the end of the day,
It's
I mean the
really
end of the day.
the end of
And
the
I've
day.
gone
Oh,
and
Candace
Wow,
I've gone
dream.
curry
Candace.
again. Listen,
Candace's
listen.
dream.
I give up. I give up.
I think
It's
your
a
laptop is trying to
filter.
balance. It's trying to balance the colors in
I
your room or so.
don't balance what? Balance what?
You
This
being
is
I
so
green.
don't know
funny.
what's going on.
This is so funny.
See, people, it's fine.
Trying to
Please
balance
let
you
us
being green.
continue.
Yeah. So
We're all
I
doing
believe we have.
extreme things right now to ensure
You
that
know
the
what we can play?
lighting.
You know what we can play? We can play some ABC faster slow. Easy
Okay.
me. We can match up
Okay.
some ABC faster slow.
Okay.
Easy. Me. I'm
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
mood to get some points in the night. Easy me. So
Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
you don't have a book? You know how long I'm gonna write?
Same.
You don't have no pen, so no pen?
I have one
I
book
have
right
pen.
here, so.
My pen. I have a pen. You know somebody we can't bother get up. Oh, I have a book right here. Yeah. Right. So after each round, we're gonna show what you call it, or our stuff.
Or working out? I have to
Yeah,
show
or
my
working.
working out to the teacher.
Yeah,
Why
for
me
sure.
can't just
Stress.
calculate?
Look,
Mine now come
just
wrong,
cal
you know, Brandon.
just calculate. Listen, all is fair in love and war. You know. There's no love.
And
Alright, I'm
which one is
ready.
this?
I'm ready. What have to make it spicy too. The game have to be
Yeah.
spicy.
Yeah.
So name animal.
Boy, girl,
Oh yeah, boy, girl, animal, place.
Wait now.
Right, so slow man.
Boy, girl, animal,
Boy, girl, animal,
place.
place, thing,
This is not
and
enough space.
Bible character.
What?
calm, calm,
What do
see,
you mean calm?
calm,
What do you
see.
mean calm?
Why you do that?
You said make it. You said
Please.
make it interesting. You said make it interesting, right?
You know how much
All
time
right, all
this
right.
a Kalamaga blank?
I hear for that man.
Boy, girl, animal,
No, because
place.
there's one for each letter of the alphabet, yeah?
Wanna know?
All right.
Boy, girl.
If you want put Quantavius the third, the conqueror, put Quantavius the third, the conqueror.
Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me.
If that's what you want, food. All right. So let's get her done. Let's get her
Hold
done.
on.
So
Boy,
a
girl,
commercial
animal.
break. A commercial break brought to you by Disgrace Space. Do you feel that you're lacking Christian brethren in your
We
life?
should put song.
Song instead of Bible character. I
Tongue.
mean Bible character will hit different
No,
though.
we should add song.
Add song.
Oh.
You sure you want to make it that long?
We no, but we could though. We really could. We really could.
All right.
I'm for
Commercial break.
jumping it.
Commercial break brought to you by Disgrace Space. Are you lacking Christian friends? Do you feel like you're a lost sheep? Subscribe to Disgrace Space and we'll take care of you.
Per. Per.
We will take care of you. We'll feed you with the word and send you back out into the world ready. We are not the shepherds. We are just the sheep.
I have mine on two
So
bits
I
of paper. I don't know if I really can see that.
last man. Last
When I
man.
see it, yeah,
You see
it
me.
there.
You see
It
me.
there.
All right. You want the light and also camera try balance. All right, ready.
Sir,
So, all right.
you like the people them just go to me as so miserable.
Oh,
It's not.
I'm my entire last name on this thing.
That's
Christ.
what I'm saying. Your whole govy, I don't know what is, I don't know. Anywho, I
All
don't
right.
know what is the matter again.
Hold on,
Who
let me
is
change
saying
that
it
real
to
quick.
who?
Can be anybody and just start.
Alright, ready, Mandy?
Mm-hmm.
ABC faster, slow.
Fast. Start. Stop.
Q.
No, start over. I'm not do that. I'm not play. I'm not play.
Ready?
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Start. Stop.
K.
All right.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
K. Alright. Go ahead.
I'm almost ready for us, so I'm gonna start with Kano. Which Bible character start with K?
Don't, you can't ask that. You don't ask that. You want in this category? Don't ask that question.
Character start with K.
Oh, why you feeling that in there?
Trying to remember who start with K.
I don't know if that's how strict are we being with the songs? How strict
It
are we
has it
being
has
with
it
That's
the
what
has
songs?
it, it has
that's
to start with K. It has to
no
start
no
with
no
K.
no no because I'm telling you right now a gospel song is not coming to mind.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay,
As long
okay,
as that
okay.
song, maybe that song, yeah.
Oh, Ufa says stop.
I can't even say
Me,
stop. Whatever.
Okay.
Actually, if you say stop,
um,
should Bible character start with K, man? I don't know. I don't know.
yeah.
Commercial brought to you by Brandon from Disgrace
The
Space.
time is going, sir. Think.
All right,
Are
fine.
are you lacking the
Stop,
word of God
yeah.
in your life?
Stop, yeah.
All
Stop,
right.
yeah. Stop, yeah.
You're taking forever. You're taking forever. Ready?
Boy, what I have for boy, I have Kevin.
Kirk.
Killian
Who name?
Mbappe.
Oh, man, Mbappe. All right.
Easy.
Aren't you a boy? You're supposed to know that.
It took me a
All
while
right,
to
ready.
realize.
For girl, I have Kyla.
I have
Of Kayla.
Kyra,
Of Kayla.
Mm-hmm. Animal, I have koala.
Kangaroo,
Of Kangaroo. That's 50.
A place, I have Kingston.
Of Kensington.
I have Kuala Lumpur. Don't know why that came in mind, just don't pay no mind.
What?
Yeah,
Which
for some
place?
reason, the place
Kuala
Kuala
Lumpur
Lumpur
in
in
This is funny. You
Asia.
can't just.
Southeast Asia.
This. You sure?
I
Yeah,
am.
it's a popular
Is
city.
it
It
is
is. Oh, me know.
Malaysia?
Thailand,
It's Malaysia or
one of the two.
Thailand? One of
Yeah,
the two of them. Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, I
Kuala
thought man was
Lumpur.
making it up. I thought she was making it up.
Bye,
No,
Brandon. Go away.
That's how it felt.
ready,
Yeah.
ready. For thing, I have knife. Listen, in my head, I read it just like how we say for Psalms.
Good. I have knife.
Knife.
Book knife.
You
Yeah,
have knife too,
knife.
Brandon?
Yeah, I have knife. I have money.
Stop.
May have kite.
Kite. All right. It's
Yeah.
about 50.
So,
All
all
right.
right,
Bible
ready?
character. Yeah.
You ready?
May have King Solomon.
Yeah.
Why didn't I think of that?
Brandon. Yeah.
Huh? My
We
Caleb. My Caleb.
Caleb start with a C.
Yeah, I know, but I try. Oh, what else we do?
Zero.
Yeah, I know my
Oh
get
my
zero.
gosh. I could
Zero.
have used my own name, because in different translation it's spelled with a K. But I have
Dang.
King David actually.
Can that count?
Brandon,
Make it going. Make it going. Yeah.
stop the foolishness.
Make it going. All right. For song, I have "Killing Me Softly."
I have King of Glory. I thought we were doing gospel songs.
You
No,
know,
it can
me
be
say
any
my brain
any
couldn't think
song
of
at
a
all.
gospel song at the moment.
I
Okay, I
can't
have
gonna say
knockout.
it right after Bible character. That's why I thought we were doing gospel songs.
Oh, that's what we were aiming for, but honestly, the brain came up blank, so I
Yeah,
had to scribble
brain can't
something
come.
in.
The brain can't compute right now. It is.
All
All
right,
right.
650.
Man, where your K one day?
Huh?
Your K song.
Oh, I said knockout.
Oh, how much is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. No. 1, 2, 3,
600,
4, 5.
600.
So there. You're getting myself. You can't give me a chance
Yeah.
to count.
Sorry.
So sometimes I miss. Yeah. I need to
Sorry.
be sure. All right.
So
So
you're at
next.
600. I'm at 650. Mandy's at 650.
Mm.
All right. So anybody can ask. I just asked random. So anybody can ask.
Brendan, your turn.
All right. Mandy, ABC, fast or slow?
Slow. Start. Stop.
Yeah.
A. Okay. All right.
Said slow.
Go. Don't go. What we must do?
Yeah, go.
Go. As soon as him said the letter, I forgot.
13.
And please.
Yo, you guys watch those documentaries on YouTube where people go to like the most dangerous cities in these different countries? Yeah. When I have my breakout workouts, that's what I watch. Like, they did one for Kingston, Jamaica. I
Yeah,
don't
when them
know.
go down at Tivoli Gardens.
No, another one that me I talk. You have this
This one.
Indian looking brother from UK. Yo, bro, we're here in the slums, yeah? And we're pulling up on and like they're walking the air like the locations in Kingston where they are, it's some deep rural place some them I some deep, yeah, some deep I don't know which part of them did. Man about talk about say, yeah, well, buy gonna kill my two men as like channel. I
Dear
live for
God.
life.
So ask us
Thing.
if we're running out of time. We have 10 minutes, guys. Okay, so um stop.
Brendan for sister
Oh,
in the
okay,
OBS and
sorry.
Chatfield.
Goodbye time, you see?
Alright, stop. Alright, so Aaron.
Anderson.
Uh-huh.
Adam.
Okay.
That's a
You
Bible
really
character
can't
too, you know? Oh my
you really
gosh.
can't get names wrong, you know.
You really
Alana.
can't.
Can't.
Alicia.
Amy.
Anteater.
Oh
And
my god,
Tito.
you know, that's what I was going to write? Aardvark.
Can't say Anteater.
Yeah.
Almost right. Arawak, you know. I was going to write Arawak, then I
As
wrote
in the
Amarok.
Thanos?
Yes. I was going to write Awarok, but then I wrote Amarok. Then I changed it to Anteater. Because I could not. I wanted I wanted to write Aardvark.
Brendan, those are people. Brendan, that's a
Move.
whole civilization of people. Please.
Moving
Next.
on.
Next, please.
All right. Arnett Gardens.
I have Aruba.
Austria. Of Austria.
Ox.
And
Isle.
Bill.
You don't know. Shout out to our boy Abel.
I have Abel.
Abendigo.
Abel.
Yeah. I was going to put
Agora.
Abimelech, you know, but that didn't take too long
What?
for right.
Abimelech.
My thing
Abimelech.
say when I want to do that, go write Abraham. That's why I'm going to write Abraham, you know?
Abimelech.
That's the only other name that was coming.
I have Agora Hills.
Awesome.
All things bright and beautiful.
Yeah, the
All
Agora Hills
creatures
songs.
great and
Small. I'm have no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 again.
All right, we need to bust the next one real fast. Candice, ABC fast or slow?
Fast. Start. Stop.
I.
Which animals are with I? I'll start with I, my youth. Oh. Song.
Stop.
Bless the Lord. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, may have Ian.
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 50. Jesus!
Nobody
How
thought
much
to
that?
think?
33?
Yeah,
Nobody
33.
thought to think?
So that's 33?
Yeah.
Girl.
It's,
Iana. Listen.
cross
It's a
that
name.
out.
It's a
Cross
name.
that out.
RGB
Cross that
saw
out.
it and they blessed it.
Cross that out.
Okay.
I'm not
Isabella.
crossing it.
I have Imani.
I love anything about him.
I remember when Imani used to be a boy name. Imani never used to be a boy name at one point. And I've
I don't
gone back
remember.
to him.
I don't remember any. I don't remember any mine being up going in.
Animal, I
I'm
have
ready.
iguana.
Channel.
I have iguana. You have iguana?
I forgot that was 0. I couldn't write anything in time.
So,
Now, like, I think
just
so.
50.
Place.
Iron apple.
I have Iraq. You see how short that
Indonesia.
is? You have Iraq, Iran, Israel,
India.
Iron apple. Got you.
Okay,
You search,
fish.
you search high and low for that. That's why you couldn't find an animal. I look for that.
Wanna have a thing.
Igloo.
I have igloo.
Ice.
I is such a bad round. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. No, but
Next,
Isaiah.
Ishmael.
Isaac.
Isaiah.
Oh God. So I was gonna write Isaiah.
I
Next,
will. I will run.
I won't go back.
it is well.
2, 3,
Oh, you add
4,
up this now.
4, 8. 483.
583.
Yeah, 483.
One,
Make it.
2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
At 533.
Burn my life. Now was talk.
Alright, we have 4 minutes. We
Music.
can do a quick
It is
last one.
well.
Ready?
Yeah.
ABC fast or slow, Brandon. Brandon, ABC
Oh,
fast
you
or
know.
slow.
Fast.
So Ufu say start, stop. What? Him say fast.
Money for start. She asked me, I'm money for
Are you for
start.
tell me for start?
Start. Stop.
P.
All right. I took a walk. Hope is stop.
Are you? I think.
Stop.
Jana.
Stop. Halt. You shall go no further. Stop it.
Hurry up, sir. We have 2 minutes. Let's go.
I am a surgeon.
I said, okay, Sean,
All
please.
right. Prince.
Paul.
Peter. Bible
James
Bills.
names.
and John.
Crenella.
Peter again.
Princess.
I never understood the name Peter Gay. I never understood that concept of naming a
We
child
have less
Peter
than
Gay.
2 minutes to do have time to
All
explain it to you.
right.
Next
All right.
animal, please.
Penguin.
A
Piglet.
penguin as well. And I was, girl, may I expect you to put
Next.
parrot?
Oi, lady.
I thought
Poland.
somebody was going to put that. Papua New Guinea.
Pennsylvania.
All right.
You are so well traveled in your head top, man.
Hill.
Pepper.
Pot.
Remember, I said, my near dream for going to place in a Chicago for now. Priscilla.
Paul.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh.
Yeah. I don't have any song.
Pressing on.
Praise is what I do.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 650, finally. All right. We can start back on next one. Or I was going to keep going till it done.
Yeah, we can try another one. We have
Like a fast one.
All right, come.
We have
Right.
1 minute. We have 1 minute.
Candace, ABC fast slow.
Fast. Start.
Start.
What?
Stop.
And then
G,
go.
G. Just
All right,
go.
all right, all right. G.
You have 56 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
But I'm writing like a doctor right now. Brother, what kind of thing? All right, anyways.
All right. Come now.
So,
Ready?
yeah,
Everybody else done.
Gordon.
George.
Greg.
All right,
All
100.
right.
Gina.
Greta.
Greta.
All right,
Jesus. 50.
giraffe.
Goat.
Giraffe.
All right, so Germany.
Guyana.
Guyana.
Girl.
Okay.
Stop. You need to
We're
stop
much thinking
Jill.
thinking
now.
regionally.
Jill.
Grill. Jill, as in Big Jill
Um,
Isle. Wow. Yeah, show up your
wow,
age, man.
that's some very local knowledge. I've
Yeah, show
gone.
up your age. Pew,
Hmm.
pew, pew.
Uh, of God.
I've God.
Really? God? Nobody's thinking out
Yes.
the box?
I
Yeah,
had
yeah, you have a
God
God.
as in one of the tribes of
Okay,
Israel.
okay.
God. Yeah.
I have Gabriel. I knew somebody was gonna write God because that's immediately what came to mind when I got to G. It's like, oh my God, I could put God.
Thanks.
All right, next. I have give thanks.
I have gracefully broken.
Goodness of God. Hey, we
I
rings out that song
love
that it,
you,
we rings out that song
Lord,
that you want cut up, you know, my unit. The right cut
One,
up and
two,
make the
for your
regime.
three.
mercy never
1, 2,
fails
3,
me.
4, 5.
650 again. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 600.
All right. So how
Sorry.
much more we going to play next game or just we'll
One,
keep
two, three,
this?
4. This is 5 rounds. We can call it at 5 rounds.
All right. So who have the most points in? I will tally it up.
Okay, let me do
Mm-hmm.
my maths.
Da, da, da.
When the finish call, not the
Yeah.
fingers. Mandy, please.
Yeah, I have 3,233.
I
I
have
have
two.
2983.
Whoa, I have 2,300 and whoa, no. I have 2,933.
Mmm. Mmm.
I'll take my prize in
Mmm.
Starbucks, please and thanks.
Mmm.
Whoa,
Candice. Candice.
what?
How does the earth feel in your teeth?
Or,
Mmm.
What?
or, or.
Mmm. You're on the
Pay
floor
attention
right
to me, please. I'll
now.
take my I'll take my prize
Mmm.
in Starbucks or
Starbucks. You know some my
saffron
card now swipe,
Indian
you know.
cuisine.
Okay. You know some my card now swipe on no Starbucks, you know. When I support them thing, isn't it?
You know, Brandon is so hilarious because Candice and
So,
I will be going to Starbucks to hang out, and all of a sudden, it's
yep,
murmurings from
yep,
the gentleman, about our whereabouts and how he wasn't invited.
invited.
And he shows up and all of a sudden is intrigued with the menu, wants to
Mm-hmm.
try something, wants to indulge his taste buds in what
Yep.
Starbucks has to offer.
Hold on. In my
In
defense,
in conclusion, he's a phony. Okay, we
Yes, he
don't
is.
we don't
first of
Yes, he
all,
subscribe.
is.
We
first
don't
of
He's
all,
just a
we don't
professional
subscribe.
hater. He just hates. He just hates
let me
He
period
is a
let me
phony.
with no
let
reason
me let
whatsoever.
me
He
I'm not a
is
I'm
phony.
He's
not a
a
phony.
phony. He's a
I'm not gonna
phony.
let me get something
He's a
straight.
phony.
I said my card will never swipe there.
So he'll pay cash.
So you
I
paying
rest my
cash.
case.
Got it. All
I
right.
rest my case.
No,
Moving
He's a
on.
phony.
no,
He's
no.
a
Moving
phony.
on.
He'll pay
We're
cash. That's
not.
what he's saying. The card not
We're
swipe,
Moving
not.
on.
but the cash will
We're
prosper
not.
on. Moving
Moving
on.
on.
Nah.
Don't
Starbucks, if
make me
you're
Supporting
see
seeing
reach a
this,
Starbucks and hear them a call
Candice and
Brandon, you know.
I. Starbucks, if you're seeing this, Candice and I love you guys.
Yeah.
They're always there. They're always there
Where
buying things.
there's two places we're
Yeah.
always at, guys: Starbucks and Burger King.
Yeah. Yeah. So, sponsor us.
It's for the glory of God. Do you want to make it to
Mm-hmm.
heaven? If you want to make it into heaven,
Money
this
that
is your
cannot be the
first
sales.
step.
That
This is
cannot
your
be this.
first step
That cannot be
Your
this. That
first
cannot
step
be the
is
This
case.
is your
sponsoring this
first
gay
step
space.
into
I
heaven.
can.
Do you
Sponsoring
want to
Grace
go to
Space.
heaven?
When you start sponsoring this Grace Space, we're gonna just, evangelize.
Mm.
Let me tell you something. We can preach to you about anything, okay?
Mm.
Mm.
We can preach to you about
Mm.
anything.
Amen,
All right?
sister.
Yeah.
Amen,
We
Sis.
can
sister.
sell you something that is sweeter than the drinks and the
Mm.
lattes and the fraps that you're making at Starbucks, okay?
Coke.
Mm.
Coke. Wait,
Okay?
sell? Sell?
It's free. We can give you something for free. Someone for free. Sweeter.
Wait,
We can.
wait, sis.
Sorry. Let's start over.
Come into
Let's start
Starbucks
over.
and leave with
Start
salvation.
over.
That's your
Let's just
tagline right
start
there.
over. Burger King.
Mm.
Leave with
Burger
Starbucks
King.
Mm.
and they get salvation in the
Mm.
process.
Burger King. For you
Mm.
guys. Wanna know the
Man,
tingle.
man shall not live by bread alone.
Okay.
Mm.
Nor
Mm.
beef. In heaven there's no beef. There's no
Mm.
fish. There's no chicken sandwich. It's just all
Mm.
love. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
When you go to heaven,
You
you don't
see,
have
you
to
can have
stay
lettuce as green
late.
as candies. Lettuce as green as candies.
Can
When
you
in heaven,
please?
you don't have night shifts that take on large crowds. You don't have to be working. You
Yeah,
know,
Mm.
you don't have to
yeah.
get upset that you're
There's no long
short-staffed and the
drive-through
line is
line.
long. There's
No
no
long
long
term.
Yeah.
lines to get to heaven.
Yeah, remember that
It's
one time we were at BK and the
the
lady,
the manager came out and she's like,
yeah. All right,
customers.
all right. Mom was like, yo, jump to the people. Yeah,
Listen,
that was a time,
nobody
man.
wins when you have to raise your voice. Nobody's listening when you have to start shouting.
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah, but all in
If you have to
all,
shout, you know you've lost the
we
war.
can, we
Mandy,
can work out a
the
bargain.
Govy girl, the Govy.
Uh-huh. Dun dun dun.
Well,
Oh my
the
days.
secret's out the bag. But no, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know.
Mhm.
Because most of the people that follow the page would follow my Instagram. You guys would know that this is my name. And this is... I won't tell you how it's pronounced though.
No. That's so funny.
Anyways, do you guys want to do the one from YouTube? Not Brendan
Yeah.
freezing.
In love chat. Both
Wow.
green this and green that. I over
That's-
this
it's-
a freeze.
We have just placed you on pause, Brendan.
Watch him over this so he's in a frozen.
Honey, where's my
My
super
super
suit? Where's my super suit?
Super suit.
What do you mean the greater good of this country? I am your wife. The
I am the
greater
greatest
good.
good. I'm the greatest good you're ever gonna get. That line was hilarious from her, man.
Yo, I'd honestly
Fine.
watch a Frozen movie if they did one for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo,
They
if you
should.
think about it, Frozone probably shows some of the best display of like ice or like superhuman abilities in the entire show, because the ice that he, especially in the second or the third movie where the man frees
The second
cruise
one,
ship.
the second
Mhm.
one,
Where he was
they
like,
showed his abilities very
Yeah.
wonderfully. We need
Yeah.
him.
But
Them said there's a
Frozone-
third one coming
Frozone-
out. I need to see him more in the third one. All right, let me share my screen with you guys so we
Mm-hmm.
can do
I'm
this
not,
one.
I'm not gonna lie. If Frozone doesn't end up making it in the third one, like he's dead or something, or
Them can
unalive,
keep it.
we ride that
Who's
down.
watching that?
So
Listen,
we're going.
Frozen is the
Y'all be seeing my
donkey
screen?
Yeah.
of The Incredibles.
And
Yeah,
man, how much time have left?
We have quite a lot.
it just
Alright.
starts in about.
I said this is the
Um,
last one.
which one
This is
do you
the
guys
last
want
one.
to do?
Let's do local.
Guess the
Because
logo?
there's no way I'm guessing the country by landmark. Let's just get that
True.
out of there.
True. True. Flex jobs.
They're so annoying.
Okay, let me take away the song.
Yeah, yeah.
Everybody can
Yeah,
see?
you have to turn the audio, because I don't want to get copyright.
Yeah, should turn it off.
All right. Dun, 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 dun,
Okay.
dun.
Discord.
Discord.
She's
Yeah, that's Discord.
oops.
Yeah, that's Discord.
Wait, guys.
Mr.
That's my
Beast.
fault.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
Mr. Beast's logo.
yeah, that's Mr.
Yeah, that
Beast
was
I've
logo.
Mr.
Yeah,
Beast
never seen
logo.
that logo before.
yeah.
What?
I think it was his logo. I think he changed
Respectfully,
it.
He changed
I've
it
never
now?
seen it.
I'm not
Oh
sure. I haven't
wow.
watched his video in a while, but I think that's what I remember.
I don't think I've
Alright.
watched any of Mr. Beast's content.
So you said
You're
this was
okay. Discord.
Discord.
Yeah, it's just on
Apple.
Apple.
Apple. Apple.
Mm, mm, mm.
Spotify.
Spotify.
Spotify. Spotify.
Spotify
Spotify.
Premium.
Mastercard.
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 Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everybody needs to know that.
Yeah.
It's Mastercard,
Mastercard.
honey.
PlayStation.
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 PlayStation. Mhm.
That's
PlayStation.
immediately
Yeah.
what came into my mind. Oh wow,
Yo,
this is an he has an app.
it's an
Okay.
app.
That's
We can
Yes,
nice.
probably
man.
we can probably do this. We can probably use this for the youth saturation.
With the kids, that's what I was just saying.
Mm-hmm.
Audi.
Audi.
Are they? Oh, not me about to say Olympics. Oh my gosh. No, but come on, please. It's rings. It's rings. Cut me
Four
some slack.
circles.
Paramount.
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 Yeah, that's the Paramount
I was
logo.
about to say DreamWorks, My God.
Paramount. Paramount Pictures.
Lay's.
Lay's.
Yeah, it is. Or is that Frito Lay?
Frito Lay's?
It's Frito Lay?
Frito?
Oh no,
No,
Or just
just
Lay's?
Lay's.
Okay,
Lay's.
okay.
Tesla.
Tesla. Tesla.
Sorry
They
to
have
that
man them.
man.
They have
The
man them darn
Cybertrucks.
electric
The
cars.
Cybertrucks are
Yeah.
Internet
Internet
Explorer.
Explorer.
RIP to the
Wow.
homie. RIP to the homie.
Internet
The
Explorer.
last a real one. Man.
Big Homie. Under Armour.
Under
Xbox?
Armour.
Oh, it's
Under
Under
Armour.
Armour.
X
Yeah.
who?
It's an X. It's an
Xbox.
X. Don't
No,
kill
ma'am.
It's an
That's
H
me.
and
not
an
an
A.
X.
It's an
It
H.
looks like an X to me.
Twitch.
Twitch.
It's an H and an A.
It's a U
It's
and
Under
a
Armour.
A.
That's Twitch. That's Twitch.
Yeah, we'll answer that already.
No, it lagged for me. That's why I don't know this one.
What is this? Roblox? I have no clue. What is this? Fanta?
That's Fanta logo.
Oh, my bad.
That's a Jamaican of the thing.
NBA.
NBA.
I
Yeah.
haven't seen Fanta in a while in Jamaica.
It about
It's
one
in the
in
supermarkets.
a Spanish one. Yeah. Only
Or is that Fago? One of them.
This is
Xbox.
Xbox.
No, I think Fuego is different.
Listen,
For Fago,
a
Fago is
Fago.
different. Yeah, Fago is different.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Mickey D's.
The Golden Arches.
I need to plug in my laptop. Gmail.
Microsoft. No, Gmail. Listen,
Candace?
listen.
Candace?
It's an M. It's an M. I apologize. That's just how I connect things up here. I don't know
The
what that is.
is this Converse?
No, that's not Converse is a full start. It
It's a
is.
Converse. It's
That, that,
Converse.
that was
Apparently they
Converse symbol?
changed. I don't know.
Yeah, apparently they changed it. Yeah. That's Mr. Beast.
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
this
say
is
that's
Mr.
Mr.
Beast.
Beast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's Mr.
Mr.
Beast. Yeah.
Beast. The Nickelodeon. I don't know.
Yeah, that's
Slats.
Nickelodeon.
That's
Yeah,
their new
Nickelodeon.
logo.
We don't
Yeah,
That's
like
not the
that.
girl I know. We don't know
No.
her.
that's
Where
not the
that
one I
smell?
know.
It's
The
Batman.
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 Brendan, please. Meta.
That's metal. Yeah, metal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the metal. The new Facebook, I should say.
NFL.
NFL,
NFL.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It's in the game.
EA. Disney.
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 You know, I used to think it was Disney based on how the D used to turn. I kid you not. I kid you not. I used to
Brendan.
think it was Disney for a while. Yeah,
Huh? No, that's not
Tinder.
Tumblr.
that's Tinder. That's Tinder.
Tinder.
Mm-hmm.
See? The T's, the T's. Everything up here is stored in alphabetical order. Nike. So don't kill
Nike.
me. Don't kill me if I just keep drawing for things that are close.
That's a Nike.
Mm-hmm.
Is it Nike or Nike? Candy Crush.
Candy Crush.
Yeah, Candy Crush. Yeah,
Whoa.
Candy Crush.
You know how long I
Candy
haven't
Crush.
seen that?
Yo, the auntie levels on this was crazy, man. I think I saw 500 one time.
They have more than that.
Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Snapchat. I think it was in
Somebody
a
I know used to
coaster.
call it Snappy Chat.
Snapchat.
Duolingo.
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 Yeah, Duolingo.
Mandy's favorite app. They have such
Gotta
an
have app
interesting
banner.
social media presence. Duolingo.
Burger
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 King.
King.
King. The homie. The homie.
Mhm.
Big homie
Can
BK.
never forget her.
They changed the logo.
Airbnb.
Oh, yeah, wouldn't get that.
I don't know how I know that. Chrome.
Google. Chrome.
That's Chrome.
It's Google Chrome. See
Google
it
Chrome,
there?
same
Google
thing.
Chrome.
For some reason, I'm lagging. For some reason, I'm not sure what's going on.
Netflix.
Netflix. I miss you,
Netflix.
baby.
Same. My lunchtime is not the same without you.
Be back soon.
Starbucks.
Starbies. The big homie.
Starbucks. Brenda,
Next
you
big
don't know
homie.
her. Yeah, you don't know her. She don't know you.
Puma.
Coomer. Rar, rar.
Every time I see Puma, I just think
Puma.
about Usain Bolt.
Mm-hmm. They sponsor a lot of things down here in
This is
Jamaica.
Bank of
American Express.
America.
Oh, Bank of America.
Close. You were close.
It had, you see, America. That was there in my answer. I don't know who that man
Is
is.
this Lipton?
That's
SunTrust
Sprint.
Bank?
Is that Sprint?
No,
Nikon.
Nikon.
Nikon. Oh, really?
Oh,
Nasser.
wow. Look, who wouldn't get this?
Yeah, that's
NASA.
Nasser. Yeah, that's
The
Nasser.
N and the S
NASA.
gave it away as well. Pepsi. National
Pepsi.
drink of Jamaica.
Grab a bubbler. Pepsi bubbler.
Pepsi bubbler.
Yeah.
I think it's tanking the internet.
Cap-
Cuts.
Brenda,
Listen,
Cut really is
I
a
want to
pretty
answer.
good app.
I want to answer Pickle, but I'm just lagging, man.
Adidas.
Boots.
Adidas.
Nike. Boots. Bro. Boots. Cases. Boots. Reebok. Boots. What is that?
Temu.
Alibaba? Timu.
Yeah.
I've never seen
Think about
Timu
the
before.
answer.
Guys, I have a joke. So my coworker saw Timu selling like work shirts in like pack and bought one. When they arrived, they were dog clothes.
I mean dog clothes. What do you mean dog clothes?
So the shirts that she saw and thought were work shirts, they were dog clothes.
Dog clothes? So they never have a muggle?
And
They
that's
didn't have a
tough.
model on there that could have told her, woof woof, this is not for you?
Samsung.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
that's
see that.
Samsung.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense.
Telegram.
Messen Telegram? I thought it was Messenger or something,
Nah,
messages
no,
or
that's
something like that.
Telegram.
It's Telegram?
That's Telegram. Yeah,
Oh,
Telegram. Just Telegram.
it looks Taco
Taco
Bell.
Bell.
That's Taco Bell.
I do like Taco Bell, honestly. Taco Bell is
Never had it. Never had it.
Polo.
Polo. Is that Polo?
Yeah.
Polo.
US Polo.
So that's Polo.
Ralph
Ralph
Lauren.
Lauren. Polo. That is Polo.
Skype.
Skype. The
I hear that
OG.
Skype is no longer going to be a thing soon.
Jano.
Skype will cease to exist in a while.
Jano. That's sad.
YouTube.
YouTube.
We love her. Live, laugh, love her. She needs to calm down with the ads though. She really does. Please.
They need to make money
I don't
somewhere.
want to hear about David Costa and him something them.
Captain
Captain
America.
America.
Yeah, Captain America.
Is there something else? Oh. So I'm just like somebody else has that logo. Cap.
Walmart.
Walmart. Wally World.
Why Walmart have two L?
Walmart have.
Hello?
Yeah,
Why
that's what
one
I'm
L it have,
saying. If I
sir?
know one,
Walmart have one averaging.
what is this?
Penguin Island.
Toys
Penguin?
R Us. Oh, Linux.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
geez.
We don't
I
know
should know
her.
that. I should know that.
TikTok.
TikTok. TikTok.
Subway.
Subway. Eat
Eat
Fresh.
fresh. Exactly. Can know the people that will watch TV.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I've seen this before.
OBS? Is this OBS?
Yes.
That's obvious, yeah.
OBS.
Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers.
Dun, 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 dun. That's all, folks.
Yo, are we going through all of these?
SoundCloud.
SoundCloud. We're going through all 100 of this?
SoundCloud.
Okay, do you want us to like pause and just finish the rest off camera?
Gatorade. We could do like
Gatorade.
1 to 2 riddles. You have no one with riddle?
With riddles? No.
Mm.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up?
Pinterest.
Pinterest. My boss called it pin interest. I was like, what? Pin interest.
Oh my god.
The whole meeting came to a pause for a while.
Among
That
Us.
name? Among Us. You know, I never got to play Among Us.
Me neither. It was popping during the
I
pandemic.
never
though.
got to play. Yeah.
I watched everybody else play it.
Yeah,
Right?
in COVID, that's
Mercedes.
in COVID,
Is
that's all
that
the players.
Mercedes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mercedes.
I don't know why I
Benz.
always mix up Mercedes Benz and BMW. I think it's because of the M and the B.
Marvel.
Marvel.
Yeah, I think it's the M and the B that mix me up.
Probably. Candace, not you being yelled
I think
again. Snickers.
Snickers. Girl. I would like a Snickers though. Not gonna lie. That'd be nice. Is this Polo?
No, this is
that's
it's
Lamborghini. A Lamborghini or
No,
Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Yeah. I was
Oh.
about to say
Lamborghini have the
Polo,
bull.
Porsche.
Polo is the
Lamborghini
what?
has
The crocodile? Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola Light.
No, no. I think the one in Black
Coca-Cola
Cross.
Coca-Cola,
normal.
man.
Coca-Cola
Coca-Cola.
cero.
He said this.
Heineken. Heineken this?
Mm,
Yeah,
yeah.
Anakin.
Oh my
I, I,
gosh.
I think Lamborghini is the bull. Ferrari is the
Mm.
horse. Reddit.
Reddit.
Oh, Coca-Cola cero. Oh,
Toyota.
Toyota.
Toyota. Very reliable car brand. You will see them every corner Jamaica. Wendy's.
Wendy's. As my mother used to
I've
call
not
her,
been to her in a
that girl
while.
Wendy's. That girl Wendy.
Yeah. She will also clap back at you on social media. Don't play with her.
Photoshop.
Photoshop,
Photoshop. PS.
Adobe, Adobe.
LG. Life's good.
Yeah, LG.
hmm That's such a cute logo.
PayPal.
PayPal.
PayPal, as well as a PlayStation. It's the peas, man.
With this lungs, you know.
7
Seven
Seven
Up.
Up.
Up. Where is Seven Up now in Jamaica? Nowhere to
It
be
still sell,
found.
man. It still sell.
They bought the
There
place,
are
man.
so many green buckle sodas here. Oh my gosh.
What is name? Slack? Is that
Yeah.
name?
Black?
Or click up.
Slack?
No, it's
Yeah.
not Click Up.
No, Slack.
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Hyundai, the Korean Honda. Don't kill me if that's not right. That's just how I remember it. Domino's.
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 AT&T.
AT&T.
I'm not with Metro no more. I'm with AT&T.
AT&T.
Instagram.
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 Instagrams.
Yeah. IG.
Hello Kitty.
Hello
Hello
Kitty.
Kitty.
She is a long-standing brand. She's been here for a
For a
while.
while.
Yeah.
TripAdvisor.
TripAdvisor here.
Mm. They had some really good commercials back in the day. TripAdvisor.
Mhm. Steam.
What is
I don't know
Steam?
her. What she do?
It's basically like a gaming. It's a gaming hub. A place you can get games. That's like
Lacoste.
Pol that's
cost.
Lacoste. So which
Yeah,
one
that's
is
what cost.
Polo?
Candice, Polo is the horse. It's the same. It's
We
under same
thought.
Ralph Lauren. No, Ralph
Oh,
Lauren. This is Wikipedia.
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 Ralph
Polo
Lauren
is
used to
Ralph
have Polo.
Lauren.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh
Hot Wheels.
Oh my
You see
gosh.
it?
Yes.
Wow, I always wanted one. One of the sets where you could race the cars on it.
Monster.
Monster.
Monster. You used to know
I
this
have
brand,
one
man.
upstairs, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Monster, if you're ever wanting to sponsor Brandon,
Not Monster. I'm
please.
talking a Hot Wheels car set. Dropbox.
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 Like a
Really?
tall, yeah, tall cylindrical one that I have it for years and have not opened it.
You
You say,
can you
give me
can
it.
you can give me.
You can't give
I
me it,
asked first. What is this?
Harry Potter.
With a coat of arms, this
That's me hard. Hogwarts.
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 Harry Potter.
You mind if you want to give me some?
Adobe.
No,
Yeah,
is
that's
it?
Adobe. It's Adobe. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Them change
Adobe's.
up them thing.
Yeah.
Um,
Kit
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 Kat.
Kat.
Kat. What would you do? No, that's a Klondike bar. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. is what would you do for a Klondike bar?
Barcelona.
Barcelona,
Barcelona.
FCB, Barcelona,
Barcelona.
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 Did I just say FCB Barcelona?
Barcelona.
Jesus.
BMW,
Yeah.
BMW.
FCB Barcelona.
I know, right? So it's
Mm-hmm.
like I'm supposed to say FC Barcelona.
Well, nobody knows. So.
Barcelona.
LinkedIn.
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 I'm still yet to understand LinkedIn in a sense as
Me
a social
neither.
media platform.
It's
I feel like
not.
it's for professional old people.
Pizza Hut.
Yeah, Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Some people
Nobody
say
out
LinkedIn.
pizzas the hut.
Some people say LinkedIn is almost like a dating site, you know.
Yes, for professionals.
Yeah, it's a
That's what they
dating site.
said.
It is.
Uh,
Shopify? Is that Shopify?
I think so.
but they say persons, especially the girls, when they go on LinkedIn, a lot of they say guys try to talk to them through their
Oh
That's
hell no.
crazy.
shell.
Shell.
Shell. Is it Shell
Shell.
or is it tech? Shell? Okay,
Shell.
okay, yeah. Shell.
Candice, I cannot believe that word was about to come out of your mouth. Twitter.
X.
X.
No, his mama named him Twitter. I'ma call him Twitter. I don't subscribe to what Elon must say.
Superman.
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 You.
Say. Soldier Boy. We're almost there.
Oops.
UPS. Yeah, UPS. Oops.
Red
Red
Bull
Bull.
Red
gives you
Bull.
wings.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Doritos.
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 Oh wow, guys, you did that. I wanna anger that.
All right. Time is upon us.
Yeah, we have 4 minutes remaining, so and it's late.
Well, guys, it's just a contingency. Thank you guys so much for
Aww.
watching the episode. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Jesus Christ, the way, the truth, and the life. Get to know him today. And if you don't know him,
You're
You're
moving
moving
mad.
mad.
you're
We'll
moving
see
mad
you on
enough.
another group call, y'all.
Yeah. Thank you guys all for watching this Grace.
Grace, peace.
I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this format. We don't know if it'll come back.
Yeah, we
We'll
don't
see.
know.
To be continued.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Bye.